Hello there, welcome to our channel once again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your Apple ID. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, as you can see. And on the search bar, click over there and type in privacy.apple.com like this and hit enter. And you can see it's the data and privacy page of Apple itself. Now log into your Apple ID. For me it will be this ID and log in, and I have received the code. And after that you can, when you scroll down after landing on this interface, you can see the delete your account option over here. Now if I choose to click over here, I will be requesting to delete my account like this, and select a reason over here and click on continue and follow a procedure with your password to delete your Apple ID. And there guys, this is how you delete your Apple ID. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.